Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Riku from Japan. This channel is all about Go, which is an exciting and easy to start board game. In the last video, I talked about how to enclose a larger territory. Do you remember the important points? That was to play close to sidelines and corners to enclose a territory with less moves. Today's topic is about the life and death of stones. In Go games, it is essential to make sure your stones are alive or opponent's stones are dead. So I will talk about the way to determine the life and death of stones, as well as the way to find out if opponents can make a territory inside of yours. Let's get started!
First things first, do you know why it is so important to determine the life and death of stones? By making sure of the life and death, you can avoid waste of moves and can play more efficiently. Additionally, it can reduce the risk of losing your territory as well. Therefore, it is definitely necessary to determine the life and death. So now, I'll introduce the way to check the life and death of your stones. Actually, I've already mentioned it in the previous video, so if you remember well, you can skip this part, but I think it will help you a better understanding. The first situation is having a territory on the corner. For corner areas, it is said that having more than 8 points is alive. In this case, it is alive because there are 9 points. What about this situation? Following what I said earlier, it can be dead because there are only 7 points, which is less than 8. Let's see. Assuming black 1 were placed here, white puts white 2 here to make 2 eyes. It is like white trying to divide the territory into 2 and make 2 eyes for each. Black plays black 3 to prevent white from dividing the territory. Now, white is dead because putting a stone anywhere makes 1 eye. As shown, white can't leave without placing a stone in advance. In this case, if white puts a stone here before black does, it can ensure 2 eyes for both left and right territory. We have tried some cases which were situationed after a territory was shaped. So now let's try a more practical situation. It is black's turn. Is black alive or dead? If you want to take your time, stop the video and think of it. Are you ready? Now I'll start the explanations. Firstly, black is alive. There are some different sequences of moves to keep black alive, but I'll introduce one of the best moves now. Putting black 1 here is the best move. By doing that, black can handle any white's move. For example, white 2 is placed here, black 3 can block it. Same on the other side, white 4 is blocked by black 5. Next, let's think if it were white's turn. Can white capture black stones? What do you think? The answer is yes. White can capture black stones. I'll explain the 2 possible moves among some. For the first case is to place white 1 here. Then, black 2 blocks as well as white 3 is blocked by black 4 on the other side. Finally, put white 5 here and black stones are dead. In case black puts another stone, white just needs to place a stone where it won't make 2 eyes. Another move starts from playing white 1 here. Black puts black 2 here to make 2 eyes. Then, white 3 is placed to prevent black from making 2 eyes. Again, black puts black 4 to secure eyes. Finally, white 5, and black stones are captured. White 5 enable black to make 2 eyes on the left anymore. As shown, you should be careful about the life and death when there are 7 or 8 points in the territory, because whose turn can change the result. Now let's review what you've learned. there are two important points. One is that having more than 8 points usually ensures the life and death of the territory on the corner. Then, when there are 7 or 8 points, life and death might depend on whose turn it is.
Today, we only thought about the territory on the corner, but next time I'll talk about territory in the center area as well. There is also a certain number to determine life and death. Can you make a guess? Do you think the number is bigger than the case at the corner or less? Look forward to it. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.